Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries, contact BitCipher Labs LLP at support@coinswitch.co.
Hello, and welcome to this very special AI-generated price analysis. In today's weekly price analysis, we will cover Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Arbitrum. Before that, we'd like to inform our viewers that ARB, the native token of the Arbitrum L2 platform, has been listed on CoinSwitch today. So, let's start with the price analysis of the ARB token. Arbitrum is one of the largest L2 platforms, and the total value locked on the platform is over $2.4 billion. ARB was airdropped on 23 March 2023, and since then continued to attract significant investors' attention. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that ARB is currently trading in a narrow range between $1.40 and $1.30 levels. The upper level is currently acting as a strong resistance. RSI is cruising along the neutral line, indicating that the traders are waiting for the market sentiment to improve. A break above the $1.40 level would send ARB price towards its next major resistance at the $1.50 level. A break below the $1.30 level, whose probability is less, would be negative, and the next major support is at the $1.20 level. Now, moving to our next coin, that is Bitcoin. Bitcoin price recovered losses after finding support near 24,45,000 rupee level. In order to continue moving higher, BTC must break through the 26 lakhs rupee resistance level in order to continue rising in the short term. In yesterday's session, Bitcoin formed a base and corrected higher above the 24,40,000 rupee support level. Bitcoin is now facing strong resistance at around the 25,40,000 rupee level, and a break above could result in a decent increase in price above the 26 lakhs rupee level. In 2023, Bitcoin is crossing its major resistance level after consolidating around the key support and resistance levels for some time. The more Bitcoin tests its support level, the more difficult it is to break below that level. The next major resistance is at 26,50,000 rupee level. Looking at the RSI, after falling below the neutral line earlier this week, it has managed to reverse its direction and is currently slightly above 50. RSI needs to move above 60 to indicate shift in sentiment, else price correction may persist. The last coin of this price analysis is Ethereum. After making a top at 1,84,472 rupees, Ethereum witnessed a steady decline in price and cracked by over 11% in the last 7 days. It is trading just above one of its strong support levels at 1,65,000 rupees for the last few sessions and is consolidating. A shift in market sentiment is likely to reverse the weakness in the counter and help Ethereum to rise above 1,72,000 rupees and give a breakout above 1,85,000 rupee level. If Ethereum breaks below the 1,65,000 rupee level, the next major support level is at 1,50,000 rupee level. Looking at the RSI, it is cruising along the neutral line, indicating investors are on wait-and-watch mode and looking for an opportunity to re-enter the market. As always, do your own research before placing a trade or making investments. That's all in today's price analysis. Thank you.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. For any queries, contact BitCipher Labs LLP at support@coinswitch.co.